John wakes up early in the morning. He feels excited because today is payday. He believes this month's salary will finally help him get ahead financially. A salary notification appears on John's phone. His face lights up immediately. For a moment, everything feels perfect. John checks his bank balance and feels proud. The number looks bigger than it did yesterday. Then reality arrives. Bills start showing up, one after another. The money begins disappearing. The first payment is rent. A large portion of John's salary is gone instantly. Next come electricity, internet, and utility bills. More money disappears. Daily expenses continue. Food, transportation, and small purchases slowly eat away the rest. By the end of the month, John's account is almost empty again. A few months later, John gets a raise. He feels like wealth is finally coming. To celebrate, John buys a brand new phone. Soon he upgrades other parts of his lifestyle too. But despite earning more, his savings barely increase. John decides to work even harder to earn more money. Hours pass quickly every day. The extra work leaves him exhausted. Then John realizes something important. If he stops working, the money stops too. One day, John learns about investing and assets. He starts investing a small amount every month. At first, the growth seems very small, but over time, his investments begin generating more money. Now his portfolio keeps growing steadily. His money continues working even when he is resting. For the first time, John feels financially secure. Remember this lesson. Salary helps you survive. Assets help you become wealthy. Don't just work for money. Make money work for you.